Time news this evening. Government outlines relocation and demolition plans for sections of Bull Bay St. Andrew. Jamaican migrants arrested after boat crashes on the boardwalk in Florida. And PAHO says Caribbean and Latin America should be given priority for vaccine donations.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question. And this evening, we're asking what's your reaction to news that reggae girl Khadija Bunny Shaw has joined Manchester City in the English Women's Super League. You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam. Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.